Have you ever wondered why some Anthuriums stay glossy and bloom all year, while others don't? Sometimes, the difference isn't expensive fertilizer, but a simple care step many people overlook. In this video, I'll share a fully natural method to build healthier leaves, stronger roots, and consistent long-term blooms. If you grow Anthuriums indoors and want healthy growth without chemicals, keep watching. Let's get started. The first ingredient I use is roasted rice, a simple kitchen ingredient that offers great natural benefits for Anthuriums. I add 3 tablespoons of roasted rice into a clean glass jar. Then pour in 1000 milliliters of hot water and stir well to let the nutrients release. By the way, which country are you watching from? I'm happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Leave a comment below. It's amazing how we can connect and share from all around the world. Next, I close the lid and let it soak for about 1 hour, allowing starches, B vitamins, and minerals to dissolve, creating a gentle, easy-to-absorb solution. The second ingredient I use is coffee. When prepared at the right concentration and used properly, coffee can provide gentle support for more stable Anthurium growth. I add 1 tablespoon of coffee into a clean glass jar. Then pour in about 1000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well to fully dissolve the coffee. Next, I close the lid and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour. This allows the organic compounds in the coffee to slowly infuse into the water, creating a stable, mild solution. After steeping, the solution has a mild and stable concentration, making it well-suited for indoor Anthuriums, especially during stages that require balanced and healthy growth. After soaking the roasted rice solution for about 1 hour. After soaking the roasted rice solution for about 1 hour, I open the jar and stir it once more. This helps ensure the nutrients from the roasted rice are fully dissolved and evenly distributed in the water. Next, I strain out all the rice residue and keep only the clear, clean liquid for use. This step makes the solution gentler and prevents residue from sticking to leaves or the growing medium. After straining, I add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution to a suitable concentration. This allows Anthuriums to absorb nutrients safely and maintain steady growth when grown indoors. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the freshly prepared roasted rice solution. I gently wipe all Anthurium leaves, including both the upper and lower surfaces of each leaf. I wipe slowly and gently, avoiding pressure to prevent leaf damage. Wiping removes dust, bacteria, and residue, which often build up and are hard to see with the naked eye. With a cleaner leaf surface, the plant can exchange gases more efficiently and photosynthesize better. The roasted rice solution is gentle and stable, making it safe for direct leaf application. When wiped correctly and consistently, Anthurium leaves become noticeably cleaner and glossier. Healthy leaves help reduce plant stress, creating better conditions for steady root and bud development. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. And you can easily switch languages in the video settings. This step is especially helpful for weak Anthuriums or plants grown in humid environments. This is a simple but very important care step, helping the plant stabilize before moving on to the next steps. Step 2. After finishing the leaf wiping step, I pour the roasted rice solution into a spray bottle. I gently mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, leaf stems, and main stem. I apply a fine, even mist, just enough to moisten the surface without excess moisture. This misting method allows nutrients from the roasted rice to reach all parts of the plant evenly. The light mist helps maintain stable surface moisture, which is ideal for indoor Anthuriums. Light moisture around the leaves helps the plant reduce stress, especially during dry or warm conditions. When done correctly and consistently, this step supports more balanced and stable plant growth. As a result, Anthuriums become healthier, with cleaner leaves, stronger stems, and fewer signs of weakness. After finishing the spraying step, I take the glass jar with the soaked coffee solution and gently stir it once more to stabilize the mixture. Then, I strain the coffee solution directly into the remaining roasted rice solution. This straining step removes all residue and keeps only the clear, clean liquid. The combined roasted rice and coffee solution provides gentle, well-balanced natural nutrients. This mixture is especially beneficial for root health and supports the recovery of Anthurium plants. This is an important preparation step before using the solution in the next care stages. Step 3. I water the entire Anthurium growing medium with the freshly prepared roasted rice and coffee solution, pouring slowly and evenly. This method allows the solution to soak into the root zone and deliver natural nutrients directly to the roots. Nutrients from roasted rice support new root growth, while diluted coffee helps improve the growing medium environment. This combination creates a gentle, well-balanced solution that is safe for indoor Anthurium care. With healthy roots, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in glossier leaves, stronger stems, and steadier growth. After watering, I let the plant sit in the solution for about 10 minutes, so the roots have enough time to absorb nutrients effectively. Step 4. After completing the watering and misting steps, I use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe all Anthurium leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove any remaining surface moisture, preventing water from sitting on the leaves for too long. Dry leaves help reduce the risk of mold, leaf rot, and brown spots, especially in humid or rainy conditions. When leaves are clean and dry, stomata function more efficiently, supporting better respiration and photosynthesis. This step helps the foliage look naturally glossy and well-kept, keeping Anthuriums healthy and visually vibrant. With just a few simple, natural steps, your Anthurium can grow stronger and bloom more beautifully each day. Keep watching to see the real transformation after proper care. If this method helps you, don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips. Thank you for watching until the end, and wishing Your Anthurium's healthy growth and beautiful blooms.